Session 9 of Unit 1 of Taxation of 5th Semester BBA of Mangalore University. In Session 9, we shall study about provisions relating to carry forward and set off of losses. The learning objectives are to know about the provisions for carry forward of losses and how to set off these carry forward losses. The outcome of this session is to understand which losses can be carried forward and how to set off carried forward losses. Recap of previous class. Provisions related to set off of losses in case of the same head of income and against the other heads of income. Same head of income when we say income from house property. Other heads when we say income from house property and income from business and profession, like this. Now what is carry forward of losses? Where the SSC could not set off the losses in the assessment year of their occurrence, then the unabsorbed loss can be carried forward for setting off against income in the subsequent years. So, if there is any loss in the previous year 2019-20 and if we cannot adjust it during this year, then we can carry forward it to 2020-21, 21-22, 22-23 like this. So, how many years can we carry it forward? That we have to see. Loss under the head income from house property can be carried forward. Loss from non-speculative business or profession can be carried forward. Loss from speculation business, specified business, short-term or long-term capital loss, loss from the activity of maintaining racehorses. So apart from these, any other loss cannot be carried forward and set off in succeeding years. So carry forward and set off of losses. Now related to loss of house property. Under section 71B it is given loss from house property can be set off only against income from house property and it can be carried forward for 8 years. So during the year we can set off against other heads of income also, but when it is carried forward it should be set off only against income from house property and up to 8 years we can take it to the subsequent years. Losses of non-speculation business or profession can also be carried for 8 assessment years and set off against profits and gains of business or profession. So when we say here business or profession, also speculation profit can be considered. Now, losses of speculation business can be carried forward only for 4 years and set off only against speculation profit. Next is loss from specified business. This loss should be set off against the profit and gains of any other specified business. Regarding capital loss, we can carry forward up to 8 years. Short-term capital loss can be set off against both short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain. But long-term capital loss can be set off only against long-term capital gain. Loss from the activity of owning and maintaining racehorses can be carried forward for 4 assessment years and this loss can be set off only against the income from maintaining racehorses. Recap of this session. Some losses which could not be set off in the assessment year of their occurrence can be carried forward for setting off against the income in the subsequent years, in the next assessment years up to 4 years or up to 8 years. So in the next session we shall study how to set off the losses and how to carry forward the losses. These are the references.